happy rainy days. I guess you must be enjoying the rainy seasons. And so beautiful. One crow, I guess I can show the crows, but I don't know where are the crows. None of these in the top of the hill because it's raining, so they cannot be living here. So I guess I go. So there is one in top of the tree. I guess you could see it. There. Yeah, there only. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, I guess you saw there is flying. Oh, it's coming from here. Oh, it's just like flying because you have to go from another to another place. If you're in here with me, it's such a beautiful place. I love this view. It's so cool, but yeah, I like it because I don't like sunshines and I don't like summer even. Like little bit only I like, but like the most is winter. But it's not winter still yet. But today is starting. It's winter. I know from the yesterday morning, no, from yesterday night, I guess it was like continuously raining. And yeah. Well, I like the view so much, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the bell button. And bye. Before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button and just give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.